everyone, my name is Maite Diaz and I'm from Madison. I'm from the Madison College. I'm in the Health and Wellness Specialist program. So today in our session, we will be talking about how to build a healthy meal, preparing quick and easy delicious meals, how to save time and money on meal prepping, and then how to navigate through a grocery store. And so when I first heard about how to navigate through a grocery store, I was a bit confused. I was like, what do you mean? Like, you just go to a store, right? And grab the food that you want. But really, when going to a grocery store, you just want to like shop the outsides because that's mostly where you will find your whole foods. And then whole foods is what you want to be eating on a daily basis. You want to be avoiding processed foods. But we will but that will be like in this handy packet here that I have pulled up is a lot of the stuff that we'll be talking about. So going to a grocery store is something that a lot of people can save time and money on by simply using a grocery list or having you order your food online and then adding it to the cart and then just going to the store, and then the grocery store will have it ready for you, and then all you do is just pick it up and you don't even have to go in the store. But so by doing like the drive up pickup is gonna save you time because you don't have to go in the store and get all the food, and it'll save you money as well because you will won't even go inside the store and see like the Oreos and the chips and the candy bars and the soda and all the processed foods. But if you do have like questions on processed foods and whole foods and how much of it you should and shouldn't be eating, you can go on myplate.gov, and it's free and you can access it anytime. So that website will give you really good information on portion sizes and what you should and shouldn't be eating. But anyways, so back to like the drive-in like pickup services, like festivals is like $5 if you order your food from there, and Hy-Vee is free if it's over $100. Aldi is also free, Walmart is free, and Woodman's I believe is $4.95. But if if you do have like no way of transporting or anything, no way of transportation, there is like Meals on Wheels service that I have here. It's some people that like deliver food to you, and then we also have the Madison area locations community meals. Let's see what else we have here. So this is food pantries that are located in the Madison area locations. And then you have like your regional area locations. And let's see, if we keep scrolling down, you'll see the farmers market where you can get like your fresh fruits and vegetables that are really good for you, and you should try adding to your meals every day. And then this is where it talks about transportation and shuttle services. So this is helpful to anyone that doesn't have any way of transportation. There is help for everybody, and there's resources that you guys should all be aware of and should take advantage of. But if you do still have any questions on any of this, feel free to email me or my teacher, Kayla. I'm not sure if you guys have my email or not, but I will definitely be able to give it to you guys if you have any questions. But thank you for listening, and I hope that you guys take a look at all this really good stuff and get some great benefits out of it. So I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye.